Introduction: CSS positioning is a crucial concept in creating visually appealing web pages. It controls the placement of specific elements on the screen. Understanding CSS position can enhance your designs, enabling more complex creative layouts. Types of CSS positions. The position property in CSS accepts 5 values: static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. Each value dictates a different way of positioning an element. Static positioning. Position static is the default value for the position property. Elements with position static follow the natural document flow. Relative positioning. Position relative positions an element relative to its normal position. It can be offset using top, right, bottom, and left properties. The space originally taken by the element is preserved. Absolute positioning. An element with position absolute is removed from the normal document flow. It's positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor or the initial containing block if no positioned ancestors are present. Fixed positioning. Position-fixed elements are positioned relative to the viewport. They remain fixed in the same place even when the page is scrolled. Sticky positioning. Position sticky is a hybrid of relative and fixed positioning. The element is treated as relative until it crosses a specified threshold, at which point it is treated as fixed. Tips and tricks. Understanding stacking context is key when dealing with positioned elements. Be mindful of the document flow when positioning elements to avoid overlapping. Common errors and how to avoid them. Ensure the parent element has a position value other than static when positioning an element absolutely. Avoid setting a parent's overflow value to hidden, scroll, auto, or clip when using position sticky. Conclusion: mastering CSS positioning can significantly improve your designs. Experiment, practice, and refer to the CSS specification for guidance.